Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Get ready to sculpt those shoulders, chest, and arms, because today is 28, and you know what that means? Upper body workout time. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Today's home workout will focus on 3 bodyweight exercises that target the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Push-ups, pike push-ups, and tricep extension push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that works the chest, triceps, and shoulders. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body down until your chest touches the ground. Then push back up to the starting position. Pike push-ups are a more challenging variation of push-ups that work the upper chest and shoulders. To do a pike push-up, start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet elevated on a bench or chair. Lower your body down until your head touches the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Tricep extension push-ups are a great exercise for isolating the triceps. To do a tricep extension push-up, start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet elevated on a bench or chair. Lower your body down until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up to the starting position. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.